Hi, Mark Diaz here for 2danimation101.com. In this video, I want to discuss something I get in my emails a lot, and that is, why are you not improving in drawing after paying for so many books and courses? I have students who have bought a lot of books like the Richard Williams book, Animator's Survival Kit. Also, The Illusion of Life from Frank Thomas and Ollie Johnston. And also bought courses on Udemy and other training online. The interesting thing is that a lot of people, after spending hard-earned money to buy courses, people who even sold, their houses to get some education. Okay, I'm being a little facetious here, but you get the point. The point is they spend on those courses and books and they don't get results. I mean, they watch the courses or read a book and then they take the pencil and paper and they draw, but it sucks. Like, what? I spent money on this course and I didn't get results? Has this happened to you ever? Well, books and courses are great, but the reason why most people don't get results and are not improving is because of something Albert Einstein said. It has been our mantra lately. Okay, he said, in theory and practice are the same, right? In practice, they are different. Now, what does that mean? It means that in theory, you can take a pencil and just try to do what you see in the book, and you have no innate talent. So if you try it, you see the page and you will get something crappy, like this, right? In theory, you follow the steps and you get the result, right? That's in theory. But in practice, when you try following it, you get a crappy result. The main problem is we think that just intellectually understanding something in our heads, like really, oh yeah, I get it, we think we know it. But we don't. Remember, in practice, theory and practice are different. They are not the same. But just because you read a book on drawing doesn't mean that you can draw. It all goes back to the old adage of practice makes perfect, right? We all heard about it. So something I mentioned in the free training of the Rogue Mangaka is that if you read a book about drawing, you become an expert at reading books, okay? If you watch a tutorial on drawing, you become an expert at watching tutorials. So to become an expert in drawing, like what you see in the courses and books, what do you think you need to do to become an expert in drawing? Well, you need to draw. Get it? So my main point is theory and practice are not the same. Just because you understand something doesn't mean that you get it, right? You can actually do it. Now, to really master this, you need to practice and you will know how to draw. So, does this make sense? Now, my question is, are you someone who can learn or are you a non-learner? To find out, take this test. You can go to 2d101.com/learner or just click the link at the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and always remember, in practice, theory and practice are not the same. So you have to test what you learn. Do something with it. That is why in our upcoming training we provide workbooks and guides that took a lot of effort and energy and time, but it was for the pleasure of knowing that you will get an amazing experience learning, enjoying it. So see you in the upcoming training at the Rogue Mangaka that will be available for free on September 20th. See you there.